Thank you for choosing Jefferson State Community College. If you receive an acceptance letter with your Jefferson State email address and temporary password, or if you're a continuing student, you should be eligible to register for classes. Let's access your MyJSCC account and register. Visit our website www.jeffersonstate.edu and click MyJSCC in the top right corner below the search box.
If you have already claimed your alabama.edu account, select Click here to log into the new portal. If you have not received your claim code, check your personal email used to complete the admissions application. If you cannot find the code, email admissions@jeffersonstate.edu to have it resent. This is your new portal homepage. You can register for classes, access Canvas, view your degree audit using DegreeWorks, and open your school email account. To register, click Open Registration Dashboard, select Register for Classes, then choose the appropriate semester. Click Continue.
You may now search for multiple subjects at one time. Select subjects you want to take, then click Search. In the advanced search, you can find courses based on campus, instructor, class attribute, part of term, and meeting days. Please note, applying more filters will narrow your search. If you apply too many filters, you may not receive any results.
For assistance with course selection, contact our advising center by email at advising@jeffersonstate.edu. Within your search results, course titles appear on the left and are followed by course subject, course number, credit hours, course CRN, instructor, meeting times, campus, status, and attribute. Internet courses are offered online. Lecture courses meet on campus, and hybrid/blended are a combination of online and on-campus instruction. Full appears within the status of classes that are filled to capacity. Although the Add button appears for the courses, you cannot add a full course to your schedule. You may email the instructor to request permission to join the class. To register for a class, click the Add button on the course listing. Panels appear at the bottom to show how the class fits into your weekly schedule and to provide a summary of your class schedule. You are not yet registered for the class. To confirm registration, click Submit in the bottom right corner. The course changes colors and shows the status of Registered in the summary panel. Click Tuition and Fees to review your balance as you register for classes. To hide the panels at the bottom, click Panels in the lower left corner.
To add additional classes, return to your search results or click Search again. You may drop a course using the summary panel. Within the Action drop-down menu beside the course you want to remove, select Drop Course Student, then Submit. The status of the course is now deleted.
To view your schedule, select the Schedule and Options tab or view the summary panel in the bottom right corner. A print option appears. After you have registered for classes, return to the Student Services dashboard. You may pay tuition online using a credit card or personal checking or savings account. Select Make Payments, Deposits, and Payment Plans within the student account list. Your current balance appears. Click Make a Payment, then follow the prompts on the screen. If you're using a public computer, log out of all accounts.
Thank you so much for watching.
Best wishes as you find your place at Jefferson State.